Have you ever felt your heart race when someone asks you something in English? Maybe your hands sweat, or worse, your mind goes completely blank. You're not alone. But what if I told you that you can learn to speak English confidently, no matter where you are? At work, in a coffee shop, in a Zoom call, or just chatting with friends. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a native accent. You need the right tools and the right mindset. And that's what this video is all about. Today, I'm going to share 11 simple, powerful steps that will help you speak English clearly and confidently in any situation. So take a deep breath and let's dive in. Step 1. Change your mindset. Confidence starts in the mind. If you keep saying, "I'm bad at English," your brain will believe it. But if you say, "I'm learning, and I'm getting better every day," guess what? Your brain will believe that too. Say this every morning. I am a confident English speaker. Say it out loud. Stand tall. Even if you don't believe it at first, keep going. Confidence is like a muscle. Train it. Step 2. Learn phrases, not just words. Learning random words is like collecting puzzle pieces without knowing the picture. Instead, learn useful phrases. Real expressions you'll use again and again. Try these. In my opinion, I think it would be better if... That's a great question. Create a list of your top 20 phrases. Practice them in real-life conversations or while talking to yourself. Step 3. Use the shadowing technique. This is my favorite technique. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating their words exactly, at the same time with the same rhythm and emotion. It's like acting! Use TED Talks, English YouTubers, or podcasts. Listen, repeat, feel the flow. Do this every day for 5 minutes. It's like gym for your English mouth muscles. Step 4. Record yourself speaking. Yes, it feels awkward at first, but recording yourself helps you notice small things, like pronunciation, speed, and confidence. Try this. Record a 1-minute talk about your day. Then listen back tomorrow. You'll start seeing progress you didn't even notice before. Step 5. Join English speaking clubs. Real practice, implies real results. Join online or local speaking clubs. You'll meet people just like you who want to learn, grow, and have fun with English. Don't wait for the perfect level. Start with what you know. Mistakes are welcome. That's how you learn. Can't find a group? Start your own online group with friends. Step 6. Prepare for real situations. Let's be honest. Most of our English panic happens in specific moments. Job interviews, travel, phone calls, or meetings. Here's the trick. Prepare for those situations in advance. Create small scripts for situations you face often. Practice ordering food, answering the phone, or introducing yourself. The more prepared you are, the more natural it feels. Step 7. Accept mistakes. They're part of the process. Fluent speakers make mistakes too. The difference is, they don't stop. Every mistake is a step forward. Try keeping a mistake journal and write down what you learned. You'll feel proud when you look back and see how far you've come. Step 8. Use confident body language. Your body speaks before your mouth does. Stand tall, smile, make eye contact, if culturally appropriate. Confident posture makes your voice stronger and your mind calmer. Practice talking in front of a mirror. Watch how your face and hands move. This adds power to your English, even if your vocabulary is basic. Step 9. Think in English. Translating everything in your head. Slow speech and more mistakes. Start with small daily thoughts in English. I'm brushing my teeth. I need to buy bread. What time is my meeting? Your brain gets used to English, and soon it becomes natural. Step 10. Repeat lines from English shows. TV shows are full of real-life expressions. Pick a scene, watch, pause, repeat, act it out. This is fun and powerful. You learn pronunciation, emotion, and slang all at once. Step 11. Use connectors to express yourself clearly. Want to sound smart and professional? Learn connectors. However, as a result, these little words help you organize your thoughts clearly. Try writing a short opinion paragraph with 3 connectors and read it out loud. Powerful speaking starts with clear thinking. Bonus step: speak every day. That is the secret to real fluency. Let's be honest. Speaking English once a week, maybe at a class or with a friend, is not enough if you want real progress. It's like going to the gym once a month and expecting a six-pack. That's not how transformation works. But here's the great news. Just 5 minutes of speaking English every day can completely change your confidence, fluency, and mindset. Yes, only 5 minutes. That's all it takes to start creating results you can actually hear and feel. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need to speak like a native. You just need consistency, effort, and a little courage. Why speak every day? Fluency is not about what you know. It's about what you can use, comfortably and confidently. You may already know a lot of vocabulary. You might understand English podcasts or read books. But if you're not using your voice every day, your progress will feel slow and frustrating. Your mouth needs practice, not just your brain. Speaking is physical. It's like a workout. Your mouth, tongue, and voice must get used to forming English words and sounds. That only happens when you speak regularly. Think of it like learning a musical instrument. You can't learn the piano by watching YouTube tutorials only. You have to press the keys. You can't learn to swim by reading a book. You have to get in the water. And you can't speak English confidently by just listening. You have to speak. But I don't have time. We hear that a lot. But ask yourself this. Do you have 5 minutes a day? 5 minutes while brushing your teeth. 5 minutes walking to the bus stop. 5 minutes cooking dinner. 5 minutes before bed. Yes, you do. We all do. And 5 minutes is enough to warm up your voice, practice your favorite expressions, or review something you learned. Daily, short practice beats long, random practice. Why? Because your brain builds habits and connections through repetition. When you speak English every day, even for a short time, it becomes natural, automatic, less scary. What should you do in those 5 minutes? Here are 3 practical, super effective ways to use your 5 minutes every single day. 1. Talk to yourself. Yes, it feels weird at first, but it works, and it's 100% free. Talk about what you're doing. I'm making tea. Now I'm adding sugar. What you're feeling. I feel tired today, but I'm excited about tomorrow. What happened in your day? Today was busy. I had a meeting and went to the store. This is called self-talk, and it trains your brain to think in English. No translation, just thoughts to words naturally. You don't need a partner for this. You just need your voice. And trust me, your English will thank you for it. 2. Practice with AI or apps. If you feel nervous talking to real people, no problem. Start with AI tools or language apps. There are AI conversation tools, speaking bots, and mobile apps designed to help you practice speaking. Many of them respond like a real person, ask questions, and help you build confidence. What's the benefit? No fear of judgment. You can make mistakes freely. You get used to speaking under low pressure. Eventually, this will prepare you for real conversations with real people, without the panic. 3. Record short voice notes. Pull out your phone, open the recorder, and speak. Talk for 1 minute about your day, your goals, or something random. Then save the voice note. Listen again tomorrow or next week. This does 3 powerful things. 1. It helps you track your progress. 2. It shows you your pronunciation and pacing. 3. It builds confidence, because you hear yourself getting better over time. This is like a spoken journal, and it can be your secret weapon for fluency. After 1 week of daily speaking, your words will come out more easily. Your fear of mistakes will shrink. You'll sound more natural. Your confidence will rise. After 1 month, you'll notice smoother conversations. You'll remember words faster. You'll feel proud of yourself. People might even compliment your English. I want you to know that when you speak confidently, people listen. You feel proud. You express ideas. You make friends from around the world. And it's not just about English. It's about you showing up and owning your voice. These steps aren't just tips. They are tools to help you unlock your best self. Remember this: confidence is not born, it's built. Start with one step today. Speak, make mistakes, laugh at them, learn. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real, practical English lessons every week. Drop a comment. Which step are you going to try today? I'm cheering for you. Let's grow together. Until next time, keep speaking, keep smiling, and remember, fluency isn't about being perfect. It's about being brave enough to try.